Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today is the 4th of June 2014. We're going to be following the majors, and today we're looking at the Aussie US dollar, starting from the monthly down to the 1 hour. And of course, we're using the Elliott Wave Analysis. Okay, before we start, please do go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine. So let's look at the charts. Okay, here we have is the Aussie US dollar on the monthly chart time frame. We start once again with the wave counts, and from the monthly we start with 0.0 taken back in April the 2nd, 2001 on the low. The larger wave degree pattern is the super cycle, that's being blue. And you can see it's made an A wave right to the high of July 2011, and it's currently in its B wave down, which is a corrective move. Its subwaves are the cycle, which are black, and of course it's completed its A, B, C to complete its A wave of the larger wave degree, and currently in a C wave. So the A, B, C. So the A completed of the cycle in August 2013 low, and the high October 2013. So what we're going to do, we're in a B wave of a super cycle and a C wave of a cycle degree. Let's move down to the daily chart now. Daily chart will be able to give us a little bit more deeper look. We're going to take it, of course, once again to the 1 hour chart, and we're in a wave 3 of a primary wave, which is the subwave of the cycle degree. Wave 1 completed on the low of 24th of January 2014. Wave 2 came up, retraced 78.6 level, close to touch our black line within the parameters of our black support and resistance lines, and now we're in a wave 3 push down. So the subwaves we're looking for now, you can see the intermediate there, and then of course we're looking for the minor wave. The minor wave is what we're taking the waves to be. So when we break the waves down further and we move to a smaller chart, I'll move it to the 4 hours so you can have a better look of this. The 4 hour is telling us that the minor wave, being in pink, is in a third wave. So if it's in a third wave, then we break that down. We've actually taken necessary entries already for that potential trade, and we've got, I believe, let's have a look, one trade entered at 93.25. That's 52 pips in profit. Its stop level is at 94. Let me make that bigger. 94.33. That's right, 94.33. And I think there is another trade also taken while I'm here talking to you about the trades. Yeah, we've taken another trade here at 93.10, and also the stop level at 94.39, and that is also in profit of 37 pips. So that's quite significant for us. So we've got 2 trades on the go, which is pretty interesting for us. So now, where do we stand in terms of these 2 potential trades? There's the first trade you can see here. At 52 pips profit, and the second trade here at 37 pips profit. So our intention is actually to ride this wave all the way down to hit the wave 3 position, and that's really what we're looking for. Initially, when we took this first trade, the wave count was slightly different. I must say this is an alternative wave count, because the previous wave count last week we had to change. Some variables had changed, and therefore we need to change the wave count. So we're on the 4-hour chart. We're on a wave 3 down off the minor wave, which is the pink wave, and let's take it to the 1-hour chart. As you can see, price is above the black line. We want price to come below the black line to give us that strong significance. Okay, fine. So here we are, and we're on the wave 3 down. Price is below the black line. We've broken the price. We've broken the wave structure down a little bit further to the minute degree. Wave 1 is in the low of June the 3rd, and the wave 2 came up and passed our 61.8%, right? Came down, and you can see how our support and resistance lines have held the price within, right? And now we're looking for our push, our push down, and what we're going to do, we're going to push up. The price is going to hopefully come down to maybe 78.6 level, retrace back up, and then come down to complete the wave 3 at the 100% level, and that will take us out of several necessary trades, what we're currently in. Now, if I was going to get into a potential trade right now, I'd be looking to go short. You could go short. Let's have a look. Where can we go short? We could probably go short somewhere around this low. Well, safest would be at this low here, but is the risk reward worth it accordingly? But safer would be here. Yes, the safest bet would be at that level, or you could take it at the 78.6 level just in case price did go back up. So let's consider that. Or what we can do, we can draw a trend line from here to here and then take it on the actual break accordingly. But now I'm just like really plucking straws to give you a potential trade. But you know, I'd really like to be safer, because the risk reward taking it from this low wouldn't be that much if we're going to knock it at the 78.6 level, because thereafter price will go up, hit the wave 4 and come down. That could be another consideration if you're happy to do that, to take it on that low with the expectation price to come down accordingly. Yeah. Or you could wait for the wave 4 to come up and then knock it down for the wave 5. So there's quite a few different ways to do it. Take it at the 78.6 level, just in case price does come back up, or you could take it at the 50% level where the black line is here, which probably would be a little bit better. So if I put like a market here for you, then you can actually see exactly what I'm talking about. So if we put an entry here, just say we put an entry here at this level, right, and we put our stop loss up top there. We're on the 1 hour chart, and that's 64 points to get 83. That's what we're looking for, or 61. So that's dependent. Yeah, it's going to be very tight. It's going to be almost a 1-to-1. Let's expect that price to come back up like that. And then if you're looking just for the wave 3, or you're looking for the wave 5, so let's just say if we take it, if you could do 2 lots. That's right, traders. 146 to get 64. So it's a 2-to-1. So that's not too bad. So I'd put my entry in at 92.81, stop level 93.45, and we're going to go for the target, 2 targets. One's going to be 91. I'll put it here for you traders so you can follow it through. And make that blue. 91.96, and the other one's going to be, just to reconfirm to you, is going to be 91.35. Okay, fine. So that's it from me today, traders. Happy trading. Thanks a lot. I'm ICI Tiger from thetradingtigers.com.